Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make a flashlight in case of an emergency if you don't have anything else laying around the house. All you need is a 9-volt battery and any kind of little light bulb that you find around the house. Hopefully I can do this with one hand. So you take the 9-volt battery, find a little light bulb. It's kind of hard holding the phone and trying to do this. But if you touch the two little things, boom, you have a light bulb in case of an emergency. And then the easier one of all is if you find a light bulb like this. These are called a 2-pin. They usually come on the modern lamps or an appliance or anything. This one you can hold in your hand with one hand and the battery, and all you have to do is touch it like this. Hold on, guys. And you have an instant flashlight. And you can do it with one hand. So all you need is a little 2-pin light bulb, a 9-volt battery, and you have an instant flashlight in case of an emergency. And if you can't find the 2-pin one, all you have to find is any little light bulb out of a nightlight, out of a toy, out of anything. And then boom, you have light. Well, I hope you guys learned something today. In case of an emergency, if you need a flashlight and have nothing laying around the house, this way at least it'll get you out of a bind. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.